If you're looking to streamline your invoicing process and save time while using Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to automate invoicing in Housecall Pro, saving you hours of manual work. Whether you're just getting started with the software or looking to optimize your current setup, I've got you covered. First, let's dive right in. Automating invoicing in Housecall Pro is a game changer. By setting up automation, you can ensure that your customers get their invoices promptly, and you can focus on growing your business without worrying about the administrative side. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Housecall Pro account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings tab in the main dashboard. From there, look for the Invoices section. This is where you'll configure everything related to invoicing. You'll notice an option to enable automated invoices. This feature allows you to send invoices to your clients automatically based on specific triggers you set up, whether it's upon job completion after a certain amount of time or whenever you mark a job as done. Here's a little secret. Once you enable automated invoicing, Housecall Pro can send out a custom invoice for every job, tailored to your pricing and services, without you lifting a finger. If you haven't already, you'll want to customize your invoice template. Head to the Templates tab under the Invoice section and choose the style that fits your branding. You can also add your business logo and customize the details to make it look professional. Now, to make things even more seamless, you can also set up automated payment reminders. Let's say a customer hasn't paid yet. You can schedule follow-up emails to remind them about their outstanding balance without having to manually send each one. Just go to the Payment Reminders section and you'll be able to set up an automatic reminder sequence. But here's the best part. Housecall Pro integrates with your payment processor, so your customers can pay directly through the invoice. You can connect your payment gateway, and once the invoice is sent out, the customer can click a link to pay right then and there. This is a huge time saver for both you and your customers. Another time-saving feature you'll want to take advantage of is the ability to automatically assign invoices to your specific jobs or clients. By linking your invoices to your schedule, Housecall Pro ensures that your invoicing is organized and aligned with your service calendar. This makes it easy to track what's been paid, what's pending, and keeps everything neatly organized in one place. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to automate invoicing in Housecall Pro. But there's one more thing you should know. If you want to take full advantage of these features, make sure you use the software through the link below to unlock an exclusive extended free trial. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one solution for service-based businesses, and automating your invoicing is just one of the many ways it can save you time and money. Remember, you can try the software completely free by clicking the link below, where we've partnered with Housecall Pro to offer you exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial will let you explore everything you need to run your business efficiently. So, to recap, automating invoicing with Housecall Pro is easy, customizable, and incredibly efficient. You'll save time, avoid manual errors, and improve cash flow. Take full advantage of our exclusive offer and start using Housecall Pro today for free. If you're ready to transform the way you handle invoicing, don't forget to click the link below for your extended free trial and explore all the features Housecall Pro has to offer.